Hello, Pleasant Grove Junior High. It's midterms. This has been a great semester so far, and I have actually really loved it so far. There's been a lot of exciting things happening in my class, and I love working with all of you. So, a glimpse into what we've been doing this term. I teach 4 different classes, and so this if I've passed your class and you're good to go, then you can log off. But I'm going to start with the 7th grade. So college and career awareness. In college and career awareness this semester, we started off with a unit about soft skills and professionalism. And we even had to escape my classroom. And so we've been working on professionalism in our other units that we've been doing so far. And you've had a professional skills inventory that you have completed for Unit 1, and you will soon for Unit 2. And then we started our food innovations unit, where you got to take a regular pancake recipe and change it to all plant products or vegan, and then evaluated that end product, and then you presented it to class. So the unit that we're currently doing is from trash to treasure, where you got to take an old t-shirt and make it into something new that you're actually going to use. And we are using the sewing lab in this unit, but if you're doing it at home, you might not have used a sewing machine if you don't have one available to you, and that's just fine. We also, our last unit this term that we're going to be doing is called Toys That Teach, and that will be coming. We're not quite there yet, but all of these units can be found in Canvas, and that if you are working on things from home, just make sure that you're following along. The module follows along the unit, and if the next unit the next day pops up below, it only pops up after we've done it in class, so you can follow along and make sure that you have everything turned in. If you have a 0 on something, you can definitely turn it in for me up to the end of the term. And so please make sure that you get everything in. Then in 8th grade, I teach a class called Facts Exploration A. In my 8th grade class, we started right into our CSI sewing unit, and we have completed a series of safety trainings and tests, and you should have completed a face mask and a travel pillow. We've also started a drawstring bag now in class, and so all of the resources that you need for completing this class for this term are also on Canvas. And so again, follow the modules, go down to the bottom, make sure that you have everything turned in and that all the resources are there. In the 9th grade, I have 9th grade apparel design, which is now called Sewing Construction and Textiles 1. It's still the same class. In that class, we also started right off into the sewing unit, and we've done safety with the sewing machine, safety with small sewing tools and equipment. We've done machine maintenance and completed a face mask and an apron. And now we'll be learning about pattern particulars. And as you begin your final project, which will be pajama pants or pajama shorts, or a different final project of your choice that you've okayed with me, that you've approved with me. And all class resources are also on Canvas. If you are completing this class online, please let me know if you need materials and supplies, because that is part of the class, and I can get those to the front office so that you can pick those up if you just let me know. Also, if you are in class and you decide that you want to bring your own supplies, then that's totally fine, and you're welcome to do that. But make sure that you have them here in class so that you can be working on your things and keeping up with things in class as well. And my last class is child development. My last class is child development, and in this class, we've had a great time so far. We began the semester with unit number 1, Return to Neverland, where we learned about growth and development for children and how important childhood is, that development. We played a lot and learned why it's important for children to also play. We're in Unit 2 right now, which is Parenting Mission Impossible for Teens, and we've learned that teenagers need to understand how to develop healthy relationships with family and friends right now, and that teenagers are not ready for the demands and responsibilities of parenting yet, Everything is in Canvas, but you do have to get 80% on the 2 assignments in Unit 1 before you have access to Unit 2 and to be able to complete those things. So remember that. Remember also, you should be doing your parenting observation assignment before the end of Unit 2. And you should also be working in your participation tracker, keeping track of what 5 things that you're going to complete for those options. To receive full credit for that on your term grade, remember they have to be 5 different things, and everything's in Canvas. And I accept light work. I accept all work up until the end of the term. So please make sure that you get everything done. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me, let me know. Again, I've been so thrilled to be working with you so far this semester, and I look forward to the rest of the class that we get to complete. So thank you very much.